Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry with Simpler Trading, and in tonight's free video, I was going to give you 3 stock picks, just kind of keep it simple as we head into the July expiration. Anytime I give you a stock pick, I hope it comes with the idea that it could be a longer term idea, right? I don't know exactly what it's going to do on Monday or Tuesday, but I think if you can give me 3 to 6 months, right, that type of an outlook, I think these are some of the better looking names out there. So I'm going to start with Enphase, ENPH. This is a name that's at a very critical juncture in its pattern. You can see this bigger part of the decline and then how it has held its 618 retracement with a pretty good degree of precision. But now we have this standard compression squeeze in play, a signal that suggests the directional move might be ready. And once you get through the 217, then I believe you will be on target to get up into 328. Now, I don't have any, again, that projection on time is kind of the art of it. But if you have the pattern, you have directional potential, I think that could be a very good opportunity. Then you have BMY, and this is one that's got a little bit different pattern here. I like it mostly off of the 3-day chart. So you can see the idea, the decline that preceded the rally, right? This drop right here is symmetrical or shared a proportional relationship to this decline. So you're trying to think, well, why is that relevant? Well, if this decline is similar to this decline, maybe what followed that decline will follow this one. And it's just a very basic way of studying higher highs and higher lows. So when that symmetry shows up as cleanly as it did, and then I see the addition of a squeeze in it, I think that's going to set up for a good, potentially a little bit of a longer term pick. And then I know the video says 3, but I'm going to give you guys 4 because there are actually 2 other spots that I'm watching for opportunity. These are actually, again, shorter term and will be what I'm focusing on into Monday. But for Google, if you can get above the 2386, this is right there at that swing high that you put in place on June 6th. If you can get above that, I think you've got a chance of getting up into 2465, and I'm going to be working that plan for the next 5 days, right? Monday into Friday will lead you into the split, and above here bodes well for the move up into there. And then that 4th pick is Tesla. So Tesla's been seeing a lot of chop, a lot of sideways trade, but today's showing starts to strike me in a very similar way to that Google take, and that is to say that above 792, right, clearing this high, I believe pretty quickly leads you into 837, and then there's actually even some interesting decisions above at 895 that I am not ruling out. So if the market opens up and everything's totally awry on Monday, I may have to give these some time. But if we wake up to a tone that is more of what we saw this week, I think those will be some solid picks and hopefully give you some varied opportunity. You guys have a great weekend, and we will see you at the next free video. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. And if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.